Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a little project today I'm going to work on the Mustang. I picked up a Magicdrift front lip kit slash chin spoiler for the Mustang. So let's check it out. It's a little bit different style than the Mach 1 chin spoiler, but I think it looks a little bit more racy, which is what I'm going for with the style in this car. And I'm hoping it's going to fit a lot better than the Mach 1 chin spoiler, since the Mach 1 chin spoiler was never designed to go on an SN95. It fits okay, but it's definitely not perfect. Currently the Mustang's got a Mach 1 chin spoiler. I picked it up off a late model restoration. Mostly I got the chin spoiler just to keep some air from getting in underneath the front bumper, make it a little more stable at high speed. So that's why I got this, and it was cheap. Let's take a look at some measurements before we get the Mach 1 chin spoiler off the car. My static ride height is looking at 26 inches to the top of the wheel arch there. And let's see how much ground clearance we have in the front with this chin spoiler. All right, looks like we got about 6 inches of front ground clearance with the Mach 1 chin spoiler. Alright guys, got that old Mach 1 chin spoiler off. I never used the original fasteners on that. I used these large stainless steel screws when I installed that chin spoiler many years ago. I wanted it to take a beating if it needed to and actually be strong to withstand high-speed winds. So that's why I went with the bigger hardware and just put them through the bumper. It worked really well though. We hit multiple cones with that thing and had no issues whatsoever. So I'm gonna use these on the new one. You're doing something like this, you always want to line it up to the edge, back edge of the bumper first, and then run a screw in. Like that. You want to line that up first before you start screwing it in. And I start at the ends of the chin spoiler and kind of work my way around to the front. All done putting the new chin spoiler on, and that was super easy. It's looking pretty good. So it's nice and flush with the front. This is good with the back of the bumper. Let's check out our ground clearance again. Ground clearance with the MMD chin spoiler, just a tick under 6 inches. So it looks like it's slightly lower sitting than the Mach 1 chin spoiler is. Let's see if our ride height has actually settled back to where it should too. Might be a little bit off since it was unloaded. Yeah, so unloading the suspension, we're sitting about ½ an inch higher. So I'd say probably overall the MMD chin spoiler sits about ½ inch to 3/4 of an inch lower than a Mach 1 chin spoiler. I really wanted to do this video because I just did not see a lot of 94 to 98 Mustang videos on YouTube with this chin spoiler, and showed it off so you can get a real sense of how it looks. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Now let's go check out what the chin spoiler looks like on the car.